I'm going to the airport. Finally I go back home, sweet home, almost. Fun fact of this time, I've already the stamp in my passport for the United States that I entered, but I'm still in Canada at the airport. Now I'm in Las Vegas, back in America. I'm really happy. So guys, I have my car and I got it for the third day too, so I can go tomorrow in the morning at the things for the permit and hope that I get it for the day after to go down and next day up. So I'm really happy that I got this. And yeah, so now driving down, hope I can reach already non-stop, and then yeah, let's see. Woohoo! So I'm finally here at the one center, so now I have to wait until 8, so it's almost a little bit more than an hour. Oh, perfect, I got my permit. So I go down tomorrow and come up on Tuesday. And yeah, so really excited. Take us up here. So it's evening, it's I think 6 p.m. Today I walked a little while, went on the west side. I changed my bag because I'm using the big backpack, but I don't need the whole stuff. I need pretty much, I think 3/4 of my weight, what I have, it's just food or water. Then looking for a nice place where I can park my car, sleep. I'm really tired, I didn't sleep a lot. In the night, maybe 3 hours. Where I could see my sleeping place for tomorrow down there, and my 2 rail, or the one trail I saw pretty much a lot, but the other one not so much. So now I was already excited, but now I'm super excited because it looks amazing. It looks so crazy. So good morning. Now it's not even 5 a.m. so it's really early. And I wait just for the bus to go to the entrance. The sun comes out. I'm already around 40 minutes on my way. It's almost 6, and yeah, it's a really nice hike and it's beautiful. It's completely quiet, everything, and yeah, really peaceful. The sun is strong for 8 a.m. Oh, crazy, it's really nice. really beautiful view. So I could see the Colorado River and big part of my trail where I go down. Woohoo! Here he is, Colorado River. The camping ground. It's really nice. Now I did some 3 hours rest because I was really tired. Last night I didn't slept a lot, and then today the hike and all the stuff. Now it's 2:30. We have 100 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's around 40 degrees Celsius, and it's just a little small canyon. Now I'm gonna try to swim in the Colorado River. Everybody say I shouldn't do it. I'm not everybody. So, here I am, Colorado River. I was in, but it was so freezing. I never been to a river or water which was so freezing. Swimming in the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon, check. I did it. I went 3 times in. There was 5 big boats and 1 little canoe, and I think 12 people. It was cool. I want to do it too one time, but I'm pretty sure it's not easy. I asked the ranger. She told me if I went today 4 hours down, then it should take me tomorrow 5 to 7 hours up on the other trail. So I'm surprised, because she said if she goes up she needs just 4 hours, and normally everywhere they ride 8 to 10 hours. So I'm excited which time I have. So good morning. It's 3:20 now, going up and hope that I get really far before the sun comes out. It's 6 a.m. a little bit less than 3 hours. I started down there. I had now a break for 30 minutes, so it took me around 2.5 hours to get up here. I hope that I can do it in 3 hours, but I did in 2.5, so it's really good. Wait, do you hear anything? No. Right. It's so amazing. It's so quiet, so peaceful. I looked into the sunrise. It was amazing. I made it 4.5 hours earlier. I started, had a 30 minutes break yesterday. It took me longer to go down than today go up. So yeah, it was it. Grand Canyon. My Grand Canyon experience was really cool. It was probably the top 3 thing what I did on this trip so far. And yeah, it was not just this what I did in America, so I did more. And yeah, so next time you will see the rest. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it, and yeah, so see you next time.